Hello everyone. Welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. Let me ask one question. Have you applied for multiple jobs but did not get any job, or got a job but with a very low package? If yes, then do you know why? The answer is you need to learn those skills which companies are looking for. So the question is, which skill should you learn, or which is the most demanding skill? The answer is data science. Data science is one of the most demanding skills. Data science has a good future with multiple job opportunities that are increasing with time, and a handsome salary which is much more than the average salary of other professionals. And according to the industry expert, 11.5 million data science jobs will be created globally by 2026. So the question is, from where you can learn data science with placement assistance? The answer is Odin School. You can join Odin School Data Science Bootcamp because Odin School Data Science Bootcamp is the only program where you will not only learn data science, but also you will get a placement in top companies with high packages and 360-degree placement assistance. So now let's discuss about some success stories. So first category is launch. So if you are a fresher and looking for a job, then Odin School is the best platform for you. For example, before joining Odin School, Harsha was a fresher, but after joining Odin School, she got placed in Mott McDonald as a graduate data analyst in Bangalore. Same with Adesh. Before Odin School, Adesh was a fresher, but after joining Odin School, Adesh got placed in Capgemini as a senior analyst role, right, in Pune. Now, second category is change. If you already have a job but looking to change your job, then also Odin School is the best platform for you. For example, Shubham. Before joining Odin School, Shubham was an architect planner in Sriji building. But after joining Odin School, he got placed in Sutherland as a senior associate data analytics role in Bangalore. And Priscilla. Before Odin School, before joining Odin School Data Science Bootcamp, Priscilla was a content moderator, but after joining Odin School, she got placed in Zero Code HR as an implementation engineer in Hyderabad. Now, let's take the another example, that is upgrade. If you want to upgrade your role or salary in your current company, then also Odin School is the best platform for you. For example, Madhu. Before Odin School, Madhu was a program analyst in Capgemini, but after joining Odin School, her role was promoted to associate consultant B1 in Capgemini in the same company. Now, same with Deepthi. Deepthi was software trainee in Amantaya, but after joining Odin School, her role was promoted to software engineer in Gurgaon in the same company. Now, let's take the another example. So another example is relaunch. If you want to restart your career after some break, then also Odin School is the best platform for you. For example, Vishweswari. Before joining Odin School, Vishweswari was single window operator, and after 6 years of long career break, she got placed in Capgemini as a senior analyst role in Hyderabad. And you won't believe the story of Nagalakshmi. After 11 years of long career break, Nagalakshmi got placed in PepsiCo as an associate manager. Before that, she was junior software engineer, right? Here you can read some more success stories. I will provide this link in the description box, so you can read all the stories right here, right? 150% hike, right? Everything you can read here. And important thing to note is that all the candidates got the high packages because Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages. Now let's discuss about the fee structure. So fee for this boot camp is 99,000 rupees plus GST. But don't worry, there is a scholarship. There is a scholarship up to 30,000. And one more important thing is there is an early bird offer that is additional 10,000 rupees off. But this is limited to the first 100 seats. So hurry up. Now, if you think you can't pay all this amount in one go, then don't worry. No cost EMI option is available, which starts at 6,300 rupees per month. And important thing is, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within first 10 days, then your fee will be fully refunded. But before 10 days or within first 10 days, right? And upcoming cohorts are 27th May and 24th June 2023. So next cohort is starting from 27th May 2023. So hurry up. Registration link is already given in the description and also in the pinned comment. So now let's discuss about the curriculum. So in the core modules, you will learn setup to data science, statistics, SQL, Python, EDA, machine learning, Power BI, business intelligence, and storytelling. And in the electives, you will learn Git, GitHub, NLP, ETL, Spark, Airflow, Azure, Azure Data Factory, and Power BI Advanced. So what you will get in this data science bootcamp? So you will get live instructor less classes, that is weekly live classes, job readiness in 6 months, project based learnings, unlimited job opportunities, right? So how to apply? Simple, you need to fill this form: first name, last name, your email ID, then your mobile number, then your year of passing, that is year of graduation, and your work experience level, right? If you are a fresher, then select none, right, and click on the request a callback, then you are done. And registration link is already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. And you can see there are more than 500 companies which are hiring partners of this Odin school, right? So hurry up, so please apply for this. Yeah, so that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put link in the description box. You can join, you can follow me on Instagram. That also I'll put link in the description box. Yeah, if you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. And if you have any doubt regarding the bootcamp, please feel free to ask in comment box. I'll be happy to reply. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.